All right, we're asked to
Right,
solve
we're
this
asked to
power
evaluate
equation. The first thing that I'm going to do
raised to the
is I'm
negative
going
4/3
to
power.
isolate
We
this
have a lot of
t
stuff going on up here in
to
the
the fifth
exponents, so
power.
let's
Okay,
identify
what I'm gonna do is
what's
first going to
happening
add
here.
171
First,
to
this
both
negative.
sides of the equation.
Negative exponents always
When I
mean the
do
same
that, what I
thing.
get
They mean the
is,
reciprocal.
32 to the fifth equals 243.
Or we're going to flip the fraction. We have to think
Then
of
I'm
it as
going
a
to
fraction.
divide both sides by
We'll talk
32
about that in a
to
second.
get
The 3 right here is the index, or an index of a radical.
over
That means
32.
we're going to take the third root
Okay,
at some point.
so that was really
and
just
this
the
4
same
is the
things
only
that
thing
I
that
would
is
do
really
as
acting like
solving
what
a
we
linear
expect an
equation.
exponent
What
to
I'm
do at
now
this
going
point,
to do
which is
I'm going to
going to be
take the
raising to
fifth
the
root
fourth
of
power.
both sides of
So
this
again, there's
equation.
3 different
I'm
things
doing
here,
that,
and we're going to apply those in 3 in any order that we want. What I'm going to do is I'm going to
use
take
the
reciprocal
fifth
part,
root of both
then I'm going
sides
to
of this
use
equation.
the index, and
the
then
reason
I'm
I'm
going to
doing that
apply
is
the
because when I
power.
take the
I
fifth
actually
root of
always
t to
do
the
it in
fifth,
this
I
order,
just end up with t.
and let me show you what that's going to look like.
So
So the first thing I'm going to do is apply the negative exponent. I flip that 125 down to the denominator, so that's going to be 1
so what
over
I have is the fifth root of
125
over
now raised to the
32.
4/3.
I
And
try to reduce this fraction
what
or reduce
flipping
this
it
radical.
did
This
was
is really
get
the
rid of
answer,
that
but it's not
negative
the most
exponent.
simplified.
Now what I'm going to do actually is write
simplify
this
that
in radical form.
I do want
And
to make
really
actually
what
one
that
comment
means is
here real
I'm
fast
setting up
is
my
the
the
fact
3
that I'm
here, this
taking the
index,
fifth
and
root,
writing it
because
explicitly
this
as a
is an
radical.
odd root,
And
I
so
don't
what this
have to
is
do anything
the
but
third
add a
root
plus
of
minus. That's
125
only if I use an even
raised to the
index
4th
radical.
power.
But since
And
it's
again,
an
the
odd,
4 there is the only
it
thing
just
that gets
cancels,
left
nothing
as the
weird
4th power. The
happens.
3.
But
Continuing on
being
here,
that third
what I
root,
would
that's
do
what,
now is I'm going to value
split this
an
radical
exponent
over the numerator
that has
and
a
the
denominator value. Okay, so let's continue this.
And
up
again,
here.
there's many different ways
what
of
I'm
dealing
going to
with
get
this.
is then 1
what I'm going to
over.
do is
I'm now
just
going
kind
to
of
apply
look,
that
to prime
index
factor
or that
these
cube
two numbers,
root
243,
125, and I get
prime
5.
factors
The cube root of
into
125
3 to
is
the
5. And then I'm still raising
And
that to the 4th
32
power.
prime
And as I
factors
said, that will be the
into
last thing
2
that I
to the
do.
fifth.
5 to the 4th
Those
power
work out really
is
nicely.
1 over.
Because when I take the fifth root of both of
625,
those, then
5 to the
what I
4th
get
is
on top is a
625.
3.
So
on the
again,
bottom is a
just to
2,
review
and again,
quickly,
why that happens
what I
is
did was went in
exactly
these
the
order.
same
The first
reason,
thing I did was apply that
I got just a
reciprocal.
t over here.
The
This is
second thing I
anytime
did,
my
which is really
index
this step
and
right
my
here,
exponent are the
is I
same,
applied
they
that index
cancel,
or the radical.
and especially with
And
odd,
then the fourth step
in
was
indices
right
and
here
exponents,
when I
nothing weird
applied that
happens.
power.
My
You
final
can do
answer
those
here
again
is
in any
t
order,
equals
though I'd recommend the
3
order
halves.
I did it is the most efficient.